Good morning my dear friends. Today I am here with this next video of chapter number 1, number system of standard 9. In previous video what we have seen the exercise 1.3 and also we have seen from starting I am telling you number system, types of numbers, exercise 1.1 in which we have seen the between rational numbers and the statements which are true or false statements. In exercise 1.2 we solved all the portions related representation of irrational numbers on number line. Now today our topic is what? Representing real numbers on number line. Today what we are going to see? Representing real number on number line. The topic of today is representing real numbers on number line. So first of all the question arises, what is real number? What are the real numbers? So first of all I have already told you the real number is a set of all the numbers. All the numbers are real numbers in which natural number, whole number, integers, rational, irrational, each and every numbers are included. So real number is a universal set of numbers जिसमें सारे types के numbers आते हैं, right? So today we are going to represent these real numbers on number line. So first of all I clear you कि you know the number line. Number line contains positive integers and negative integers, and also in between them 0 is there on the number line. Here we are going to represent first this 2.665 on number line. The first is 2.665 on a number line. So first of all 2.665. See, first of all I am going to draw a number line. This is number line. You just draw this number line with scale. First ये number line है. So what? हम यहाँ -2, -3, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. I just take equal distance 1 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस से मैंने यहाँ पर -2, -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 को रिप्रेजेंट किया इक्वल डिस्टेंस as per the scale. You have scales with 15 centimeter and you just draw the number line with these numbers. Now what numbers we required on a number line? That is 2.665. The number is 2.665. So almost this number is in between 2 and 3. So first it is clear that this number lie between 2 and 3. Now what we are going to do? We just highlight these numbers again on the number line and we do equal 10 parts of in between them. So the next is what? See, here I am writing 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Clear? Here 2 and I am writing 3 over here. 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8 and 2.9. So now the equal 10 parts between 2 and 3. The equal 10 parts in between 2 and 3, this is the magnified by this. Clear? Now next what I am going to represent over here. Now 2.665. 2.66 is in between 2.6 and 2.7. So here I am going to again make equal 10 parts in between this. So that is what? This 2.6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2.6 and 2.7 over here. 2.61, 2.62, 2.63, 2.63, 2.64, 2.65, 2.66, 2.67, 2.68 and 2.69 and 2.7. Is that clear? So now here the number is lie between, see, this is the magnifying form of this portion. Clear? Now 2.665 is lie between where? Is that clear, my dear friends? So now again I just make 10 equal parts over in between 2.66. From here I will start 2.66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 2.66 and 2.67. So here 2.661, 2.662, 2.663, 2.664, 2.665, 2.666, 2.667, 2.668, 2.669. Is that clear? So now what number we required on a number line? That the number is 2.665. Is that clear? So this is the magnifying form of in between 2.66 and 2.67. So by the way of this, we just represent real numbers on a number line. So I represent 2.665 on a number line by this method. So again I explain the method. Okay, first of all we see okay, the given number is lie between which two numbers. So here 2.6 is given. So 2.6 lie between 2 and 3. So first we magnifying the middle portion of 2 and 3 and I just make equal 10 parts in between 2 and 3. Then the next digit 2.66. So that is lie in between 2.6 and 2.7, my dear friends, right? Now again I make equal 10 parts in between 2.6 and 2.7. So I will get 2.66 and 2.667. Now the third digit is 2.665. So this 2.665 is lie between 2.66 and 2.67. So here I magnifying this number and I will get 2.665 on a number line. So this is the method to represent real numbers on the number line. Now the next number is given what? 3 point homework. That homework is what? Represent 3.765 on number line. Is that clear? So first this 3.765 lie between 3 and 4 and then 3.7, see this number lie between 3 and 4, then 3.7 to 3.8 and then 3.7 to 3.8, 7, 1, 7, 2, 3.76 to 3.7, 7, 3.6, 7, 6, 1, 7, 6, 2, 7, 6, 3, 7, 6, 4, 7, 6, 5. So you will get by this way. Okay, so fine. You will draw in homework this, you just represent this 3.765 on number line in homework. Now I just take a question from exercise. Now my dear friends, this is question number 2 of exercise 1.4. Visualize 4.26 on the number line up to 4 decimal places. So first of all the value of 4.26. What means 4.26? So that is 4.262626 up to. Now here the question is given 4 decimal places. So 4.26 bar is 4.2626. We are going to express on number line. तो visualize bar 4 point bar 26 या 26 on the number line up to 4 decimal places. So 4 decimal places are 26 and 26. Okay. So first of all, as per the previous explanation, representation of number line, we are going to do what? We just draw a number line, and I put 0 over here, -1, -2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this number 4.26 is lie between where? 4.26 is lie between 4 and 5. Clear, my dear friends? So now the next step is what? Okay, I just make equal 10 parts in between. I am going to make equal 10 parts in between 4 and 5. So that I am going to draw four, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 4.1, yani 10, whatever we want to write. Okay, my dear friends, now I just make equal 10 parts in between 4 and 5. So now what number we will get on the number line? Now this 4.26 lie between where? 4.2 and 4.5. So again I will draw a number line, and I am going to make equal 10 parts. I am going to make equal 10 parts in between 4.2 and 4.3. So here 4.2, 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and 4.3. Clear, my dear friends? So now I am making equal 10 parts in between 4.2 and 4.3. So the number 4.26 is there here. Now the next number 4.262 I will get in between 4.26 and 4.27. So again I am going to make equal 10 parts in between 4.26 and 4.27. So here 4.26, 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269 and 4.270, right? So I just make equal 10 parts in between 4.26 and 4.27. So these are the 6 parts. Now the next is what? The next 4.262 here, 262.6. So this I will get in between these two numbers. So now again I am going to draw a number line. See, this line is little bit again I am going to draw a number line. Okay, so the first is 4.262, 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629, and the last 4.263. So I will do equal 10 parts. See, here these are the equal 10 parts, and the number what we required, that is 4.2626. So that number is 4.2626. Okay my dear friends, so first of all I magnified equal 10 parts in between 4 and 5. Then after I magnified 10 equal parts in 4.2 and 4.3. Then next 4.26 and 4.27. Then 4.262 and 263 in between, and the last I will get the number 4.2626. So by this way we just magnify, we just visualize the real number on number line. One example is given by this way to do, so that you will do in homework. Thank you.